One new option that we have in Excel version 2010 is the possibility of inserting somewhere, for example here, below the range where we have the income represented. We can represent what is called in this version insert a mini chart. We see that to the right of the tools group chart we have a new option, that of mini charts, and it gives us 3 options. In the specific case, for example, of the first chart, a line graph, what it asks us for is a data range. For example, we tell it we are going to represent all of this data range in B18. We will represent a mini line graph, which we see that if we make the cell a bit larger, we see that what it represents is a small element embedded in the cell with the graphical representation. These mini charts, there are various types, as we have seen. We have the line graph. We could also have inserted a mini bar chart, where we have to indicate the corresponding range, and then it represents it with columns. Or finally, the last type we have is to insert a mini profit and loss chart, which in this case of the savings, we see that the concept might be suitable, but in this case all of the years yield profits except one, which yields losses. It is an interesting tool at least. We have some elements that we can control. The kind of mini chart can give us an indication of the meaning of the data, a basic view of the trends of the data in a given range.